Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time landing here, my name is Joy and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Germany. So in today's video is going to be a very quick one. Pardon my kids at the background making noise. Anyways, yeah, so today I'm going to be taking you guys to wash my car today to show you guys. David, stop. To show you guys how we wash our car here in Germany. All right, okay, come with me, let's go. All right. So guys, I'm about to start this. You can see you have different options for different kind of water that you want. So this is the scent here that you're going to put here. It's like a 50 cents. So I'm just going to put it here, up here, and
What's premium? Up. Up.